43. Itu biasa. Wah itu lingam itu mobile itu lagi. Water di mana? Tadi itu lagi. Ini kan game itu berarti kan vertikal itu kalau orang tahun lalu sebenarnya tahun nama district kalau ada tapi yang mana itu loh. Dulu apa lalu dulu gitu. Tapi kalau usul apa? Ya, yang masuk ke gitu. Boleh sih. Jadi habis gitu. Bila bisa itu kan itu apa jadi apa antara makan mantuk ini. Kan ada penunggu di mana sport di mana sana. Dunia. Oh ya udah guna gitu, nanti guna gitu. Boleh boleh. Oh saya udah gimana boleh? Lebih ini kan ada buat kalau sudah tapi bagi lina ini kita salah satu yang ada. Itu dia dari total. Dari kiprah ini itu masih dari kiprah. Dong di mana banyak. Sekolah ini. What in terms of mission? Untuk posisi di bawahnya. Jadi itu boleh kalian di sini oh sub district. Tapi sekarang ini ya umumnya jadi bisa hasil itu tapi sub district itu ini di sini nih kawan. Sampai sih. Kurang aja dia. Hei pokok. Jadi siapa kawan? Aku tak masuk kawasan singkur. Kali pilot saya juga ni baru discuss. Ambil. Semua tu misalkan mulai ayat tu, saya tu minggu lepas lalu. Itu observasi saya. Observasi saya tu minggu. Itu mana list tu saya jawab kontrol mana itu ini kasih. Itu tak kopi. Itu. Berapa biji kalau boleh? এটা আমাৰ অফিচ কবি Wait, it was এখন ডাউন দি দিওঁ Observer is observer. এটা অফিচ কপি হ'ব তুমি কবা বেংকত স্যাৰ মাৰি দিব আছিল কথা কবা দেই মোৰ তেওঁ কি কোচ কিয় অহা নাই তুমি কোৱা যে কোচে এই ভিচিত আছে দেই তোমাক আমি গম কৰিব লাগিছিল তুমি মই সেইখনো বেলেগ এখন দিল্লীৰ পৰা হ'ব আমাৰ এতিয়া আমাৰ হ'ব এতিয়া 11:30 পৰা হ'ব
মেটেৰিয়েলত কি কাম চলি আছে তাতে যাব লাগিব
এইটো আকৌ ভাই হ'ব দিয়া মই জাজ কৰিব লৈছিলো NIC2 NIC থাকিব লাগিব আইয়া NIC টিকট কোন NIC টো অফিচাৰটো তাৰ লগতে বহংগে দিয়াৰ কোন গ'ল Dear, please come. I'm doing the frame. NIC link হৈছে if NIC লগত হ'ব বিহেছ আমাৰ এইটো মোবাইল এইটো আমাৰ যেটো জেমাজি দিয়া আহিব সাম দূৰ বিচি প্লিজ কাম ক'ত বহিম আমি এতিয়া ইয়াতে হ'ব নি তাত বহিম হা আপোনাৰ ৰুমত এখেতৰ নাম্বাৰ দিদিয়ে ইউজাৰে নাম্বাৰ নহয় দীপ প্লেছটো এখেত দিয়া তাতে ভাল হ'ব নেকি দিয়া ৰুমত আমাৰ ৰুমত আমাৰ ৰুমত যাই ভাবে তো একদম মানুহ ভৰ্তি Okay.
Beep. Beep. Beep.
Guys. और की होगा सर?
होस्ट send me the WhatsApp. Name page. But you are very irresponsible. Why deleting so many times disturbing?
अरे ये हार्ड डिस्क को they give more than your today I will
you are doing
today I will
not, but,
giving the requirement NAS का requirement I am giving today. What can I also do? No, they asked me hard drive. I copied to the other hard drive. उसमें एक folder copy हुआ.
This is Balaji from National Institute of Disaster Management, New Delhi headquarters. Good morning to everyone. So we have next 15 minutes. So after sharp 11:30, we will be starting our online training program for Assam State.
ये वाला. Mainstream rigs mapping probabilistic.
come after 10 minutes. We'll definitely I'll give you.
Take this paper before this. ठीक है, please go ahead and the time waste हो जाएगा. Good morning. I can hear you. Maybe to go ahead. Okay. So I'm on.
Shri Tiraj Shaut, Deputy Secretary and State Project Coordinator. Sir, are you joined the meeting, sir? Can you please respond me, sir? Are you available, sir? From state level, any official joined this training program? Can you please confirm?
Hello, Mr. Balaji.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Mr. Balaji, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. You are audible.
Yeah. So okay.
Can you please tell me your name, sir?
My name is Abhijit Deka. I
Okay.
am from
Okay.
ASDMA headquarter.
Okay.
Guwahati.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
This districts they are already logging from their districts.
Okay.
So
Okay.
30 we can start. But
Okay. Sir, Deputy Secretary has joined the meeting, sir. Deputy Secretary, sir.
Deputy Secretary, he is with Chief Secretary, Government of Assam, for some land related issues, land record issues. So he is with Chief Secretary, sir. So he will join soon. Our senior consultant, flood consultant, senior most official, he will chair that meeting.
Okay.
I
Okay.
will
Okay.
inform. I will
Okay.
inform.
Sure. We may start 11:30, right? So there is no problem, right?
11:30. Yeah, we can start 11:30.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Thanks for connecting. Thanks for your kind information, sir.
Most welcome.
Good morning. How is that? How is that? Good morning.
ভেৰি জাগি মই মানে এটা ই প্ৰগ্ৰামৰ কিবা এটা কাম কৰি আছিলো ফটককে অলপ হেৰি হৈ গ'ল ফোনটো ৰিচিভ কৰা নহ'ল
মোৰ কথাখিনি শুনিব পাৰিছেনে? শুনা যায়? অডিবল হৈ আছে?
অডিবল
ঠিক আছে, থেংক ইউ।
Hello. Good morning. Hello.
সুজিতা ঠিকে আছে ভইচটো আহিছে আপোনাৰ
Good morning.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Speaker আহি দিব কথা কবা
This is Balaji from National Institute of Disaster Management, New Delhi headquarters. So we have next 5 more minutes. Very good morning to one and all. So we will be going to start our online training program of this particular India Disaster Resource Network portal sharp at 11:30. I request to all the district officials, please kindly make sure whether your mic has muted or not, so that there will be no disturbance during this online training program. I request to all the district officers, please kindly mute your mic, so that there will be no disturbance during the online training program. So we have 5 more minutes.
অভিজিৎ শুনিছেনে? অভিজিৎ শুনিছেনে?
Yes, sir. Yes,
শুনিছে ন?
হয়, শুনি আছো, হয়।
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে।
অভিজিৎ লিংক আছে নে? শুনিছে?
শুনিছো, ঠিকে আছে।
ঠিক আছে, ওকে।
All districts से আপোনালোকে all district মই এটা ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিম যে IDRN পৰ্টেলটো আপোনালোকে প্ৰপাৰলি চাই ল'ব কেনেকে এন্ট্ৰি কৰা যায় আৰু মোষ্ট অফ দা আমাৰ যিখিনি সিনিয়ৰ ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট প্ৰজেক্ট অফিচাৰ আছে তেওঁলোকে জানে কি ইস্যুজ আছে যেনেকে কেতিয়াবা ইকুইপমেন্ট নতুনকে যদি এন্ট্ৰি কৰিব লগা হয় এই বস্তুটো সদায় এপ্ৰুভেল ল'ব লাগে IDRN পৰ্টেলৰ মানে এডমিনৰ পৰা সো এইখিনি ক্ষেত্ৰত তেওঁলোকে কি আনসাৰ দিয়ে তেওঁলোকৰ এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেটৰ আছেতো
Sir, shall we start, sir?
আৰু
Sir, shall we start?
ফ্লো অফ ইনফৰমেশন যোনটো যেনেকে কেনেকে আমি এন্ট্ৰি কৰিম IDRN পৰ্টেলটো যেহেতু তেওঁলোকে নতুনকে বনাইছে এইটো তো আপোনালোকে কাইন্ডলি মানে নোট কৰি যাব কেনেকে এন্ট্ৰি কৰা যায় এই গোটেইখিনি বস্তু
Sir, sorry for the interruption.
টেষ্ট কৰিব আৰু ইন
Hello.
ফিউচাৰ তেওঁলোকে হেল্প কৰিব গোটেইখিনি
Okay. JD sir, shall I start, sir?
Yes, please start.
Okay. Okay. Myself Balaji. This is Balaji from National Institute of Disaster Management, New Delhi headquarters. Very good morning to one and all present here, and thank you for joining us the one-day virtual orientation come online training program of India Disaster Resource Network for Assam State. It's an honor and privilege for me to welcome you all on behalf of the National Institute of Disaster Management, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India to this one-day virtual orientation come online training program of IDRN. This is 32nd state and union territory of India out of 36 states including union territory. I would like to express thanks to all the state and district officials who is attending this particular online training program. I also thank and welcome Shri Tiraj Shot, Deputy Secretary and State Project Coordinator, Assam State Disaster Management Authority and Senior Consultant. Now I would like to invite our Joint Director, Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasishtha. So before inviting our Joint Director NIDM, I would like to say a few words about his career. Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasishtha is presently the Joint Director of National Institute of Disaster Management. He is the in charge of this India Disaster Resource Network portal Pan India. He was commissioned into Army Ordnance Corps in September 2000. Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasishtha is a supply chain management professional with over 20 plus years of experience in managing the entire government of supply chain grid. The officer has excelled academically with master's degree in management apart from logistic management courses with specialization in ammunition and other warlike stores. The officer has commanded an ordnance unit of prestigious strike corps of Indian Army and have exposure on various command and staff duties in all type of operations and territorial. So now I request to Joint Director Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasishtha, sir, please open this webinar.
Thank you very much, Balaji. And I must, at the outset, I must welcome each one from the state of Assam for this India Disaster Resource Network one-day orientation training program. I, along with my colleague Balaji, will be taking on this today's program and will be speaking to you on the various aspects and attributes of the functionality of this IDRN portal, which we are here to speak today on. At the outset, I would thank Shri Dheeraj Saud, Deputy Secretary and State Project Coordinator, who has coordinated this particular program today. And we are sitting today and will be brainstorming the various aspects on the disaster, this IDRN portal. So thank you, Shri Dheeraj, and the importance of IDRN, as we all said today, since we know that how important is the resources at the time of any disaster. And since Assam state is also prone to various disasters as any of the state of India, so we should always be prepared to handle such disasters and such situations. And the major contribution is of the inventory and the resources at the time of disaster. So if the state administration, they know where their inventory is lying, which will be utilized during the disaster. So it will save on lives at that particular point of time, at that point of emergency situation. So for as a life savior, as we said today, because we are the district officials who are dealing with this IDRN portal, and we are managing this IDRN portal at the district level, the level wherein this IDRN portal is actually managed from. So I would request each one of you to kindly contribute today with your suggestions, with your any questions or anything which you feel that the IDRN, which helps us in making this IDRN portal much more potent and much more efficient and helpful in times of disaster or any emergency situation. This disaster IDRN portal is managed at NIDM, and I am the in charge of this portal here. I will start today's deliberations with a small basic presentation on this IDRN portal, and then we will take you live on the portal and will explain you all the functionalities of this IDRN portal. In between, in case you have any questions, any doubts, any suggestions, in between any time, I would request that you must come to us and you must speak up, so that we may get your ideas on this IDRN portal. And what do you think about this IDRN portal? How much more beneficial it can be made, and it can be made more helpful in times of disaster for this for the districts in which you are presently sitting today. So this will be the, as Balaji has said, this will be the 32nd state which we are speaking to. I have already taken this training program for 31 states already, and we have received very valid suggestions, very valid recommendations, and we are in a process of updating this portal and making it more user friendly and more resilient to the requirement of the today's requirement in times of disaster. What would be the requirement of various types of inventory? With this, I would share my screen, and I'll take you straight away on the presentation. Is it visible, Balaji?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your screen is visible. You may please do the full screen.
Mr. Dheeraj, is it fine that I speak in English, or do I change it to Hindi? We have two options for the language today. Is it fine in English? Anyone from the state, is it fine to continue in English, or should I speak in Hindi? Whatever is comfortable.
Good morning. I'm from Assam State Disaster Management Authority. I'm Rajesh Datta from this Assam. Dheeraj South sir is in meeting with the Chief Secretary. So I'm extending a sincere thanks to the NIDM for initiating this training program for the state of Assam. We are very thankful to all. It's fine with us in English. All my 333 project officers already joined online. So over to NIDM. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Rajesh. Thank you so much. And so I will continue in English. And thank you, Mr. Rajesh, for actually arranging this and coordinating this program as we sit today with the state of Assam. It's a big state for us, and we are thankful to the state administration for coordinating this particular orientation training program. And to start with, as we all know that we are in Corona, and the festivals have just gone by, and we are looking into still we are waiting for the vaccine. So as per the mandate given by the government of India to start before starting any training program, and NIDM, since we are dealing with this disaster day in, day out, so I would again reiterate the following 5 points as seen on your slide. Wear your mask properly. I would request to inculcate these habits in your family also, so that the coronavirus, we can save ourselves from this deadly coronavirus. Wear your mask properly. Wash your hands with soap and sanitizers regularly. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Keep social distancing. Clean surface regularly. So with this, and this is the what NIDM is also preaching in every lecture. And so IDRN, as we all know, it is India Disaster Resource Network. This will be a basic presentation which I'll be taking you, so that we are on the same platform before we get into the IDRN portal as such when we go live on that portal. So the need was felt in India when we see that has got a very geoclimatic condition. Somewhere it's mountainous terrain, somewhere it's dense urban populated, and somewhere it's villages, coastal areas. And the connectivity of the roads and everything. If we see the climatic conditions like the winters, the snowfall, rainfall, so India is a very unique country wherein we can see all types of geoclimatic conditions which are available in this which nature provides us. So it also makes us vulnerable to various types of hazard, disasters, or emergency situations. The major challenges for the professionals who are dealing with the disasters was to know where their inventory, actually the inventory is lying at times of the disasters. In times of disasters, we look for various specialized inventory, various critical items, and various items which are of generic nature, but however, they are required during the disasters, and they are very important to save on the lives at times of disaster. So this need was felt. And in the year 2004, with the government of India in the Ministry of Home Affairs with UNDP program, a United Nations Development Program, they have made this systematic inventory management this portal, and this is known as IDRN since then. And in 2008, it was handed over to NIDM, and from 2008 June, we were handling the old archaic model of IDRN portal, but in June 2020, this year, on 1st of June, we have come to you, to all the users. You might be finding that this system is quite new, and this new portal was launched on 1st of June 2020 after precisely 12 years of usage. So we'll be training you on this particular portal today, the new portal which we have just inaugurated. The primary focus is to enable the decision makers to access the equipment and human resources required to combat any situation at any particular point of time. This is the infrastructure which we are working on in IDRN portal. It is synchronized on the NIC servers. This is on the NIC server. This highly secured platform has been given to this network because the database which is required during the disasters or our handling of the disasters or our capacity or capability to handle any disaster is available on this particular IDRN portal. So it is highly secured network. All the database is, you all know that there's a login ID and a password which is shared with the district departments only, the district administration only, and it doesn't go below this level. So this is due to basically the responsibility for basically accessing the database on this particular network. In the past, we have had various experiences wherein there was cyber attacks on this particular portal, but however, due to our the password policy and the login IDs were so rigid and so well made that the inimical elements or the hackers could not hack onto our system. So I would request that this login ID and this password is quite of very much importance, and you must keep it safe with you. And the lowest level, which is mandated by the Ministry of Home Affairs, where the password would be shared, will be the district administration, and from there, the district DDMOs or the district level officials, they will enter the data through various forms, which will be sent to the line departments, to the public sector undertakings, or to the private sector companies who will fill in various forms, and they will forward to the district administration to be fed on this particular system. So we'll come to you on details what are these forms and how they are filled. So there are 4 forms which I'm talking about: Form 1 to Alpha, to Bravo, and to Charlie. specific we will cover in our presentation when Balaji takes you live on the portal. We have all 36 states and union territories registered on this network, and it is as per the DM Act that we have to we are mandated to feed in data on this particular portal. The PMO, the Ministry of Home Affairs, the NDMA, all are monitoring what we are doing on this IDRN portal through NIDM. The various reports are sent to the chief commissioners of the state, and chief commissioners, they are forwarding to the district level authorities for seeing what is the level of the database updation in their particular district. So out of 740, 728 districts as on date are registered on this portal. Other balanced 12 districts are in a process of registering on this system now. We have gone since Prime Minister Shri PM Narendra Modi has given us a mandate that all 740 districts should update their data, which is related to the disasters on this portal. So after that, these 12 districts are also, which are balanced, they are also coming on board to us very soon. This portal has got 36 categories of items divided into 289 numbers. This 289 numbers is ever changing, ever evolving, and whenever we get a suggestion from the district administration to add a particular item, we send this item to a committee under the chairmanship of the National Disaster Management Authority, wherein members from the Ministry of Home Affairs, NIDM, the state administration are they are made part of this committee, and they brainstorm whether this item, the item which is suggested by the state for tackling certain type of disaster in their particular district, is required to be added in this inventory list or not. Recently, in July, we have added many items which were related to the coronavirus tackling of this COVID-19, like face masks, PP kits, and other items like the oxygen cylinders. Our website this portal was utilized by the central government during the times when you all might be remembering that there was a crisis of oxygen cylinders past 2 months back. So this is quite a potent weapon in case it is to be used. State of Kerala they have utilized this to their in times of the floods, in recent floods which they had. Today, Tamil Nadu state, they are also following this particular portal once they are into this Nivar cyclone, as we see today in the news.
Sir, one more thing, sir. From for this Nivar cyclone, we have shared our entire data, inventory data for last 1 year, last 2 year, just 2 days back to the Tamil Nadu State Disaster Management Authority, sir.
Yes,
from the commissioner.
That's what I'm coming to, that during the Nivar cyclone also, the state administration and the district administration is using the database on this IDRN portal. So this is quite a potent weapon with all of us. You can call it a weapon to save lives, to save human lives at the times of emergency or disaster. This is for all your 33 districts, this database. You can see yourself the updation levels in your particular district. This is not to pinpoint anything, but it is a mandate by the government of India that we have to update the database on this. And it will, I must assure you, because I'm sitting in the center and I am seeing things happening on ground, how the disasters are managed. And I must vouch for it that this IDRN portal is actually helpful to save the lives of the human beings. Since the responsibility has been entrusted in us, as we said today, from various districts. So I don't see any reason that why can't we update this database on this portal. So various districts, if you see that they have nil entries in past 1 year on the left hand side, and past 1 month, you can see on the last 1 month your entries. So if some districts can update, why I don't see why other districts can't update. So I would request the state administration also who are actually monitoring this disaster management subject per se, to kindly look into these figures. Actually, we are sending the report on a monthly basis. But however, in case districts are having any problem, today we have come to you to reply to your queries to see where is the problem is lying. In case you want that you need another training, district needs a training. So on this particular web portal, so we can provide that training also. But I must request each one of you to update this data for each district. So you can see yourself your status. This for the other districts, if you are able to see. If one district can do, I don't foresee any reason why the other district can't do on the updation of database. This is quite important, and this is a mandate for us, the disaster managers. As we sit today, we are speaking to each other. In case you have any problem, anything, any suggestions that you need some updation, you need some change in the IDRN portal so that it may be used, made more user friendly. We have received many suggestions from the states, I must tell you, and you will see the changes very soon yourself. That and these were all suggestions received from various states because they were facing problem. But I will show you the figures also. This is all India figure in 2020, in case you can see your screen. 2017, 18, 19, and now, since we are speaking to all the states directly, and this is a mandate given to me by the PMO or the Ministry of Home Affairs, that I will speak to all the states to get this data updated. So this is part of that orders from the Government of India. You can see yourself that in this year, we are in November still. So 93,000 database have already been updated on this site. And I would request each one of you today sitting here that in case you have any doubts and you see any problem in updation of the data on this particular network, we would request that you should come forward and we'll try to resolve all your queries. This is an API for this was developed when the Kerala State Disaster Management Authority came with the problem that during the disasters, first thing to snap off is the internet lines. So they wanted to use this database in their own system and their own inventory management package they have developed, and they are utilizing through this API our data which we are having at NIDM. So you can also do any the Bihar state, Odisha state, they are also in a process of developing their own inventory management softwares of their own portal, which can be utilized during the times of disaster. We are also in a process to in a process where we are developing a system where you can access this data offline, in an offline mode also. So you will come this particular feature would be soon available to you on this particular IDRN portal. This is the screenshot of our new portal. We'll be training on this particular portal. Balaji would be taking a live session on this particular portal. These are the contact details, and we have given the mobile number also. And you would find that there are very few ministries or the departments who give them mobile number. You can ring this mobile number at any point of time, 24/7. But only request from us, only submission to you all sitting today, that you must update this database, and in times of disaster, this will help us. So with this, these are the contact details. You can come back to us on any query, any basic or any advanced or whatever you feel. So you can come back to us on any of your queries, any suggestions, any updation of the database. We'll be more than happy to help you. And with this, I will hand over to Balaji to take you live on the portal and show you the features of this new portal. Thank you very much, Balaji. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your insightful presentation about this particular India Disaster Resource Network portal, sir. I really thanks for your presentation. So now I welcome and I thanks to Rajesh Datta, consultant, Assam State Disaster Management Authority, and Abhijit Dekka, system expert, information technology of Assam State Disaster Management Authority. So I would like to express thanks for all the state and district level officers. As I can see, the participation, still 69 people has joined this meeting. I really thanks to all the district and state level officials who are all attending this particular online training program. I hope you all aware this is the 32nd state of India. So already we have completed 31 states, including Union Territory of India. So we have rest 4 states only. Before starting my live demonstration, I request to all the district officials, state officials, please kindly make sure whether your mic has muted or not, so that there will be no disturbance during the this training program. So after my session, we'll come back to the question and answer session. Whatever you have the doubt or suggestion or feedback, any complaint regarding this particular IDRN portal, you may please register with us. After completion of my session, I'll definitely unmute from my I'll definitely enable the unmute option, so that time definitely you can ask any question, any type of suggestion, any feedback or any complaint you can register with it. Definitely will take on high priority. Accordingly, we will implement, we will incorporate that particular your suggestion and feedback in this new IDRN portal. And also I have mentioned in the chat box UTIP URL. So this particular online training program, we are live telecasting on our NIDM official YouTube channel. In the chat box, you may please see one URL. Using that URL, you can watch after this session or this session. If in case any internet connectivity issue with your end, you may please watch through YouTube. Also, after the session, also you can watch this session in at any time. So whatever you have the suggestion and feedback, you may please write in the chat box meanwhile. So now I'm going to take I'll going to share my screen. Rajesh sir, my screen is visible, sir. Rajesh sir, is there my screen is visible? Can you please confirm me, sir? Rajesh sir, my screen is visible. Can you please confirm?
Yeah, Mr. Balaji, it's visible.
Okay. Should I start the my demo, sir? Shall I start?
Yeah. You can start.
Permission?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
You can start.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So I hope you all might be aware. This is the dashboard of this new IDRN portal. This particular IDRN portal URL has been also migrated. The idrn.nidm.gov.in. I hope all the state and district official might be aware this new IDRN portal URL idrn.nidm.gov.in. This is the dashboard. This is the home page of this IDRN portal, new IDRN portal. Here you can see the total number of states UTs. There are 36 states, including union territory, as registered with this particular IDRN portal. So next would be total number of districts. Pan India, we have found 740 districts. Out of 740 districts, 728 districts has registered in this particular IDRN portal. Here you can see the difference between the red color and the black color. The red color indicates these are the districts are not yet updated with us. For example, Kamli district, Shiomi district, Xiang district, Lower Xiang district. So these are the districts from the from the Arunachal Pradesh state has not yet registered with us. The black color would be indicate these are the districts has already registered with us. So you can see the Assam state. So Kamrup Metro, Hojai, Baksha. So these are the districts. So these are the districts has registered with us. So I think so most of all the district has registered with us. If there is any new district from the state of Assam, if there is any new district last year or this year, you may please kindly register with us, so that we will be definitely help you to provide this particular IDRN portal user ID and password. Here you can see the total number of items. There are 289 items which we have already enabled in this particular IDRN portal. So apart from this 289 items, you can't enter or you can't update this particular IDRN portal any additional item. If you want to add more item, into this particular IDRN portal, I request to all the district and state official, please kindly write a letter to IDRN National Institute of Disaster Management, or you may please send email request to admin.idrn@nic.in. Definitely will take on high priority, and we will enable your particular suggested additional item into this IDRN portal. Here we have committee committee. So the committee will examine your inventory item along with the consultation of National Disaster Management Authority and National Disaster Response Force and also ministry. So if it is really helpful during this any disaster, definitely we will include that particular additional item into this IDRN portal. So here you can see the total number of items from page 1, gas cutter, cold cutter 2. There are 15 page we are given. So iodide tablet. So no need to search each and every page. If you want to search, for example, mask, you can type M alphabet. It will automatically list out all the M alphabet, whatever the item is already enabled in the IDRN portal. So here you can see motorboat, motor launch, MRI, mechanical ventilator, mobile OT unit. So like this, you can see all the M alphabet items which is enabled in the IDRN portal. So now I want to know whether mask is available in this portal or not. So I'm typing mask, MA. So mask is available. So once if you click mask, so it will show the category and whether this mask is available or not. So likewise, you can search any item and any category in this IDRN portal. So next would be data status report. Here you can see the data status report of last month. So I hope you all the district officials and also state level official are receiving our data status report monthly wise, and also we are updating in the IDRN portal as well. So here you can see the data status report for the last 3 months and also last 1 month. So annexure 1 indicates this is the state-wise report. So from the Assam state, last 3 months 743 record has been updated. Last 1 month 644 record has been updated. So the annexure 2 will indicate it's a detailed report of the district-wise report. So what is the data status report of last 3 months and the last 1 month? So Baksha, Barbita, Bishwant, so Chacha, these are the district has not yet not even entered single record last 3 months and the last 1 month. So I'm not pointing out any of the district and any of the district official. It is just a humble request from the National Institute of Disaster Management. Please make some of the entries so that it could be useful during this any of the disaster. So in the recently Nivar cyclone has also affected in Tamil Nadu, the state of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. So from the state of Tamil Nadu State Disaster Management Authority, last 2 days back they were requested to us for share the resource inventory in the Excel sheet. So we were shared the entire resource inventory list last 1 year and also last 2 years. So they are started utilizing our IDRN portal. So likewise, we are in the process of making the more utilization of this particular IDRN portal. So on direction of the Honorable Prime Minister and also the Honorable Home Minister. So next this is the countrywide query for resource inventory. I hope you all might be aware this particular purpose. So whatever the data has been updated from the district level official, here you can see the countrywide query. Here you can see the resource inventory which is available with the particular any department from the state of Assam or any state and including Union Territory of India. For example, you can select. For example, I'm going to select Assam state. So Assam. So you can select Assam. So next would be district. If you want to select multiple district, you can select multiple. If you want to select single district, you can select single. If you want to select all district, you can select all district. This particular new IDRN portal, we have simplified the module, very user friendly, very easy way the user can easily identify the self-explanatory portal. This is the self-explanatory portal. So for example, for a demo, I'm selecting all the district of the Assam state. So Assam state, the category, there are 3 categories we are classified. One is equipment, another one is human resource, another one is medical supplies. I hope you all aware there are 289 items which we have classified. There are 3 type of category. One is equipment, human resources, medical supplies. Equipment related items comes under the equipment category. Human resources related items comes under the human resources. Medical related equipment comes under any medicine related items comes under the medical supply. That is what this particular category we have classified, so that the user easily can identify the resources. For demo, I'm going to select equipment. So here you can see, here you can select the equipment, what I have said. Okay, if you want to select multiple, you can select multiple. For example, if you want to search truck, you can type truck, TRUC. So it will automatically show the trucks. It will automatically come list out the whether this item is available in this portal or not. So I have selected truck, and heavy truck also I have selected, and mobilization truck also I have selected. So likewise you can select all. So for demo, I'm going to select all the items. So give find result. Here you can see the result of this resource inventory. See, this is the table structure from the Assam state, Marigon district, pump high pressure portal. 18 number of quantity has updated. So the department. So they were mentioned the availability of the department, fire and emergency service, Morrigan, Assam. So address also available, and the mobile number also available, contact person also, station officer available. So email ID they were not entered. This is the problem which we are facing today. This particular ID portal. This is the responsibility of this updating this contact number and the email IDs for the district level data entry operator or the district level authority. They have to please we are migrated this new IDRN portal. I request you once again, please kindly once again log in and update the current department, whatever the department you are already registered in the IDRN portal. You may please kindly update the current contact number and also email ID. See, here you can see the updation is required. So this last updation was done 1/9/2016. So after 1 year, this each and every item will automatically expire. So for example, from the date of updation, after 1 year, it will automatically expire. So that is why this particular notification we are given updation is required. So here you can see Morrigan district has updated tractor. So tractor, it's a government source. They have done updation, last updation done April 5, 2020. So it is a private industry. So they have mentioned, but the contact number and email ID also is not available. I request once again the concerned district official, not only that the particular district, all the district, please kindly once again log in and update the current new idea portal. Please update the current department contact number and also email ID, so that it could be easy for you to contact the concerned correct person in the any disaster time. So next would be about IDRN. I hope you might be aware this particular IDRN portal, how it is functioning, what is the responsibility of state level officer, what is the role and responsibility of the district level official, and what is the function of the line department, the data collection format. So each and everything, our joint director, respected joint director, Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vashista, given the detailed presentation, detailed explanation about this particular IDRN portal. So for next would be resource inventory. For easy identifying the resource inventory, we given the dedicated separated page as page also. So you can use this particular country-wide query for resource inventory. So next would be next is item detail. I hope you all aware what are the item we have enabled that I have that I have already explained. So next should be user manual. So next would be user manual. Here you can see the user manual. This is the most important thing. I request to all the state and district officer, please kindly carefully watch this session. Next hardly 15 minutes is most important module which I am going to talk. So user manual. Here you can see the user manual. Here you can see the user manual in the PDF format. So the first page we given the explanation of the function of the form 1, form 2A, form 2B, form 2C. That I'll come back. That I'll explain you later. So from the fourth page, here you can see the in PDF format. What are resource available? What are the items which is available in this new IDRN portal? So this is the list, entire list of 289. So I request to the I request to the I request to concern Assam state level official and also district level nodal officers. Each and every district have the district disaster management authority. The district disaster management DDMA nodal officer is the responsible for circulating this particular particular resource inventory list to all the line department. The line department will fill out this form. So they fill out this form. They have to send it back to the district authority, district headquarter. The district headquarter from itself they have to update this particular inventory in the IDRN portal. So this is the entire list of 289 in the PDF format. So next would be data collection format. So this is the form 1, form 2A, form 2B, form 2C. I hope all might be aware this particular IDRN portal can able to update online online. Then what is the purpose of this form? What is the purpose of this form 1, form 2A, form 2B, form 2C? I hope all the district official and the state officer as are well aware. We want to share the user ID password to the any of the line department. That the response we will be sharing the user ID and password to the concerned district level authority. Concerned district level authority, the DDMA nodal officer or the district collector and the district magistrate is the primary responsible for updating and collecting this resource inventory. Resource inventory is the responsible. The respected district collector and district magistrate is the responsible for updating resource inventory in the IDRN portal. So the district collector or district magistrate has to circulate this particular form to all the line department, whatever the department there it is whether it is a private, whether it is a government, whether it is a PSU or any of the any department, they have to so from the district level authority they have to circulate this form to all the line department. So the line department will fill this form manually. They will fill this form. What is the name of the department and the address, pin code, and who is the contact person, contact number, for mobile number, whether it is a government or private or PSU. PSU, that is a form 1. The form 2A is form 2. The another thing is form 2A and form 2B and form 2C. I hope you might. I hope all the district official might be aware. This almost the 3 form is similar. Nothing is difference between each and every form. So what is the difference of then splitting this form 2A and form 2B, form 2C? It's very simple. For easy updating, for easy understanding the equipment related items, we classified form 2A. Form 2A is for all type of equipment related item has to fill. So the form 2B is to fill all type of skilled human related item has to fill. Form 2C is helpful for used for critical supplies related item is needs to be filled in this form. So once the line department fill this form, they have to send it back to the district headquarter. The district headquarter is responsible for updating this particular resource inventory in this particular IDRN portal. So next would be next is login. So I hope all the district official have the user ID and password. If any of the district don't have the user ID password, I request you once again, please kindly write email to admin.idrn@nic.in, or else you can WhatsApp me. My number is available in contact us page. So definitely I will share your district level user ID and password so that you can able to log in and you can update the resource inventory in the module, in the login module. In the login module, now I am going to log in the dummy user for live demonstration. So this is the dummy user. So now I'm going to take hardly next 10 to 15 minutes. So how to register new department, how to modify the existing department, how to update the resource inventory, how to modify the resource inventory, how to delete the resource inventory. So this is the most important thing in this particular IDRN portal. So I'm going to take next 10 to 15 minutes. I request to all the district official once again, please kindly watch my session very carefully next 10 minutes. If you have any doubt or suggestion or feedback, you may please write in the chat box, or else you may please wait after my session. We'll come back to the question and answer part. So whatever your suggestion or feedback or any complaint, you may please register with us in this particular online training program. So feel comfortable. So make sure the question is related to IDRN. Whatever you have suggestion, you may please kindly register with us. So next, so once if you log in, you will get this dashboard. This is the dashboard of this IDRN portal. So edit DMDC profile. So the district collector name, district magistrate name, and the address and the telephone number, mobile number, contact, email ID, the disaster management nodal person. So each and every district have the DDMA, and the nodal person is the responsible for updating this particular field. So I request once again, please kindly update the present district collector, district magistrate detail in this IDRN portal, so that we can easily contact any of the emergency time. So we can easily get the telephone number and mobile number in this IDRN portal. If any emergency situation, we can easily share that concern district official number to the any of the disaster persons, any of the disaster manager. So there are many district is not updating the current district magistrate, district collector name, and also they are not currently updating their telephone number and mobile number. We were trying to connect many of the district, but many of the district mobile number is not working, not picking up, even if it is not functioning. So it's a mandatory for the it's a mandatory field. So I request to all the officers, please kindly make sure whether the current working telephone number has entered in this IDRN portal or not. So next would be item code for easy identifying. So understanding, I given the we given the page inside the module also, so that the data entry operator or the district the district disaster management authority can easily identify the resource inventory list. So data status report, we are working on it. So we are receiving continuously from the various suggestion and feedback from the various state and district. They want to download the data last 1 month, 2 months, last 3 months, 6 months, 1 year in the Excel format, PDF format. So we are working on it. So definitely we will be integrating that module as soon as possible. So next would be district database. This is the district database. Here we can see the record uploaded and the number of item identified. From 2016 to till date, 671 record has been updated. So number of item identified 203. I hope you all aware there are 289 item has been enabled in this IDRN portal. Out of the 289 item, 203 item is found. 203 item is found. The rest of the item is not found. That is the difference of this record uploaded and number of item identified. This is the state of Delhi and district New Delhi. So it's not exact correct data of the Delhi and New Delhi district. For dummy, we mentioned Delhi and New Delhi district. That's all. So next is user manual. We given the user manual inside the login module also. The training video, we are working on it. So definitely whatever the new integration, new functionality, definitely we'll put video time to time. The data collection format also inside the module we given. So you may please take printout and submit to all your line departments. So notification part also we are working on it. So whatever the data are expired or any updation from our side, or if from your side as to from your side is there any updation, so we will be giving the notification part also. So next is most important thing, add record and modify record. Add record and modify record. Next I'm going to tell how to register new department, how to modify existing department, how to update the fresh entry, how to update the fresh resource inventory items entry, and how to modify the existing resource inventory entry, and how to delete the inventory item in the existing department in the existing updation. So I'm going to take next 10 minutes hardly. Request to all the district officer, please carefully watch my session. So if the department has already registered, you have to click modify record. Here you can see the list of registered department, whether it is a private or government or PSU. So if the department is freshly registering in your district, so you have to click add record. For example, I'm going to register Assam Assam Private Limited. Assam Private Limited. I'm going. So I'm registering one private industry in your login in your district. So Assam Private Limited. Just for demo, I have mentioned Assam Private Limited. So address also mentioned Assam, and the contact person Ranjit. And the destination, whatever the destination you can mention, you may please mention the address. You may mention please exact address. For demo, I just for time constraints, I have mentioned only Assam. That's it. So pin code, you may please mention the exact pin code of the location. The mobile number, if there is any mobile number, you may please mention the correct mobile number. If the telephone number is mandatory field as of now, but the letter we will remove. Letter we planning to shift mandatory for mobile number. So you may please kindly update the correct mandatory field 23438289. So my email ID is mandatory as of now. So ranjit@gmail.com. So next is a source. This is the most important thing where all the district officials or the data entry operator is making the mistake. I hope Assam Private Limited, it is a private industry. So as per the industry type, you have to select the in the source. Whether it is a private, you have to select private. Whether it is a PSU, you have to select PSU. Whether it is a government, you have to select government. So most of the officials are making selecting the source for select government, because because the government in the government organization, the district level officer is entering this particular entry, so they are selecting government. It's not. So it is totally wrong. So when we are generating the report industry wise, for example report, for example ministry is asking private industry report please provide, and PSU unit report please provide, and the government industry report please provide. So we are getting the false mismatching resource inventory of this item detail report. So I request to all the district officer, please kindly make sure whether this is the private industry, PSU industry or government industry. So I am selecting private. So submit. Once if you submit, it will. So detail not saved. There may be some mistake, I think so. Assam Private Limited. Assam, contact person Ranjit, manager, address Assam, pin code 110001. Mobile number is not mandatory. 01123438289. Ranjit at gmail.com. So I'm selecting private, I'm submitting. So details saved successfully. Actually, I have missed that contact email is .com. That is why data is not saved. So now this particular Assam Private Limited, we have registered in your district. You just get assumption. So after details saved successfully means this department has registered. So now this automatically the automatically tab will open. One is modify and update contact details, and there is click here to add inventory record. If you want to modify the detail, if there is any mistake, you can click modify or update at any time. So this field will available at any time. You can modify. So next would be click here to add inventory record. So now Assam Private Limited private industry we have registered. Now we are going to update the resource inventory. So for example, now I am updating CT scan. Now I want to update CT scan. So you may please type C alphabet. It will automatically list out all the list of resource inventory which is comes under the C alphabet. So these are the resource inventory. So here you can see the CT scan. So for example, I am typing another one more letter CT. So CT scan automatically coming. So this is what this new IDRN portal very flexible way and very user friendly. It is available. So it is available. So unit is number. So quantity available, I have 200 quantity of the CT scan. Location Assam. So I request to district officer, please kindly mention the correct exact location of the CT scan where it is available. Whether it is available For example, government, private, government hospital, Gangtok, government hospital, any the location. You may mention the exact location of the CT scan. Likewise, so item skill. If there is any particular contact person for this particular item, you can mention. And also, if there is any type of that CT scan, you can mention. That is what this particular description field we given as a mandatory. So I'm mentioning MRI CT scan, MRI CT scan. Submit. So now inventory data saved successfully. It means one inventory record we have updated. So I'm going to update multiple record. Now I am updating another record. So you can so no need to register each and every time the department. Now if you want to update, you may please type another letter. For example, I am going to update heavy truck. So I have typed H alphabet. So I'm going to update heavy truck. So it is obviously number. Quantity, I have 12 number of quantity heavy truck. Location Assam. So exact location you may please kindly mention. This heavy truck is 50 tire heavy truck. 50 tire heavy truck. So whatever the specialization is there, any field or any particular unique identification, you can mention in the description. That is what this description we are given. So submitted. So now inventory data saved successfully. There are 2 records we have updated now. So click modify record. For example, after 10 days, after 15 days, or after 1 month, if you want to update the more item, or if you want to modify the department, if you want to delete the inventory item, you can do at any time. For example, click edit modify record. Here you can see the registered department. So here you can see the Assam Private Limited. This is the department which we have registered recently. See here you can see the department agency name and the contact number. So modify department detail. If you want to modify, you can modify the department name or detail or contact person at any time, or mobile number. So if you want to delete, you can delete. For example, I'm going to delete the department. Are you sure what to delete the department? Yes. This department can't be deleted because item dependent on this department. It means it means I hope we have updated 2 number of inventory item. Firstly, you have to delete the inventory item, then only it is possible to delete the department. I hope you might be now you are clear about this flow. So now if you want to add more item, if you want after 10 days or after 15 days, after 1 month, after 6 months, anytime, if you want to add more item, you click add item. You click add item. For example, I'm typing, I'm going to update another one item, air compressor, quantities number. So 10 number of quantity air compressor and item location Assam. Request to officer, please kindly update the exact location, item, skill description, whatever is there any type you can mention. I don't have any idea about the type, so I'm just mentioning S. So the inventory data saved successfully. I hope you now everybody clear about this add item after the registration at any time. So now you click the item list. See here you can see the list, item list. There are 3 data we have updated today date: CT scan, heavy truck, and air compressor. The data entered today date. It is a private. It is source is private. If you want to delete, for example, after 10 days, after few days, or after any time, this particular air compressor is not available. Let's consider CT scan is not available. You can delete. That is what this particular function we are simplified. You can delete at any time. You can modify at any time. For example, heavy truck I want to modify. Quantity is reduced. So now I'm updating 5 number of quantity heavy truck only I have available in that particular private industry. So I have updated. So quantity also updates. So that is what this main feature. So next is query inventory. So department-wise report. You can see the department-wise report, any department. So Assam Private Limited. So there are 2 record is presently is available in this Assam Private Limited. So next is date-wise report. If you want to see the date-wise report, for example, let's consider 1 November to 27th November. What are the data has been updated? Submit. So the item name heavy truck is updated on today date 26 November 2020. So CT scan, Gujarat Private Limited updated 18th November 2020. So 18th November we have conducted this particular online training program for Gujarat State. That is why this Gujarat Private Limited is coming. So what I'm trying to telling is, so we have updated. So you can find out the list of resource inventory. So in between the duration time, what are the item has been updated. That is what this database report will give you the clarity, so that the district can easily identify. So the last 1 month, so last 3 months, so last 3 days, last 1 day, last 1 week, last 2 weeks, we have updated this many records, this many department we have updated. So district report, this is the consolidated report of the district. So whatever the data has been updated from the starting date till date, you can see the consolidated report. There are 15 page where here given. So you can see the consolidated report. So next would be wave items. So I hope you all aware, for easy identifying the resource inventory list inside the login module, we given the all the possibility ways, so that the data entry operator, the district official, the district collector, district magistrate can easily identify. So these are the items can update. So apart from this list, if we can't update any of the resource inventory. So that is what this particular section item list we are given all the tab. So item code and a name. So that is what this feature, I hope you might be understand. Contact this form, whatever you have the suggestion, feedback or any complaint, you can fill it out. You may please submit. So we'll receive the message accordingly as per your request. We'll definitely respond to you. Will work. So log out. I have logged out. Now come to the contact us page. This is the contact us page. Here you can see the address of the National Institute of Disaster Management. So number also available. My number is 400-22606. So telephone number also available. This email ID also available. Whatever you have the suggestion or feedback, any complaint, anything you want to clarify or anything, you may please write an email at any time. You may please suggest. So now my live demonstration I have completed. So now the time to discuss this particular IDRN portal with each and every district. So now I have enabled the unmute option. I request to the concerned district official authority, whatever you have the doubt or clarification, or you have any suggestion, feedback, any complaint, you may please unmute your mic. Definitely I'll respond to you. Yes, sir.
I'm telling from South Salma district, from Assam.
Okay.
Actually, I have one question.
Okay.
Whenever I want to add item in add inventory, items are not available. Suppose I want to add inflatable rubber board, but it shows whenever I write, and it shows type here.
Okay. What item you want to enter, sir?
Many of the item are not listed in your list.
Yes. That is what I'm
the name is different.
Acha, okay.
Name is different. Whatever you have suggested in your list, in our list which we have got from the fire service or from other department, it doesn't match. So in this case, what we'll do?
In this case, what you have to do, you may please immediately send that list to admin.idrn@nsc.in. Please send email, so that we will include your list inventory item in our list, so that you will get you will get clarity, so that there will be no point of time where this 289 item only you can update. You can suggest, sir, these are the new items name, so these are the different items name, so in this list it is not available, you may please kindly include this item. So we will be definitely with the after approval of our competent authority will definitely enable that particular items which you suggested. So afterwards you can update.
Okay.
Okay.
So no, some of the items in your list there is a name like inflatable rubber boats. Huh?
Okay.
In your list there it is written in number also. But I have only 2, 3. I will accept that one.
What's that? 2.
Suppose if you see in your list like rubber boats.
1 second, sir. Oh, rubber boat. Okay.
So there is a number written in the last of the line. No?
Yeah, rubber boat. Yes, in the inflatable boat 12%. That is what you are telling, right?
Yes, inflatable boat 12%, 159. What is this 159?
No, don't get confusion, sir. That is item code. See, for database,
Okay,
for database, each and every item we have given one item code, so that from programming level we can easily identify the data. That you no need to worry about that item code and the serial number. Item code is different. For that is for the programming purpose. So, for example, if any of the new additional item if you are suggest, we have to allocate one item code, so that in the database we can easily maintain. That is the purpose of that item code. So no need to get confused.
Okay. Okay, I will send my list to your email and please
Sure.
approve that one.
Sure. Please, as soon as possible, please send your list. Definitely, I'll put up your list to our competent authority. Our competent authority will examine. Definitely, if it is helpful, we will add within the
If
approval.
you will add all this item in your at list, and it will be helpful for us to upload the inventory.
Sure. Please immediately write one letter and please send it to the email as soon as possible.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Any other question from any district? If any doubt, I request you once again, all the district officer, please kindly unmute your mic. Whatever you have the suggestion or feedback, any complaint, you may please register with us.
Mr. Balaji,
Yes, sir.
maybe others will just give their feedback. I
Okay.
have seek some suggestions from your side.
Okay.
Basically, I want to share. Have you seen our website in Asdama website? We have a management information system for search and rescue equipments.
Okay.
You can see in our website there is a portal there.
Okay.
Page you can just click on that. So
Okay.
we are having all our whatever my colleagues are talking about, all the inventory of search and rescue equipments are there in the website with the details, and my colleagues are also updating those things quarterly, probably maybe sometimes it may not there, but we request them they do it quarterly.
Okay.
So I just want to share with it. How can you help us? So we are having lots of equipments there.
I totally agree with your equipment list, which is available in your
I'm
site.
just
If you
coming
don't
here.
mind, can you please kindly send me that particular link? Definitely, I'll take printout and I'll go through all the list items. So I'll suggest to
Code it. You can
incorporate
code it.
this. Yes.
My suggestion, I'm just seeking suggestion. Just I'm sharing with you. I just seek suggestion from your side. We are having lots of equipments there, and my colleagues have done a lot of work on that. Though we haven't uploaded our IDRN web portal, but my colleagues have uploaded all the equipment, search and rescue equipment in the website. District wise. You can search our MIS system district wise, hazard wise. You can go to Barpeta. Barpeta will show you all the equipments with the contact details. Okay. Then you can also search it through hazard wise. We are having flood, earthquake, fire, and storm. I think it's landslide or storm, something. Some 4 hazards are there. You can 5 landslides also. So you can choose hazard wise from the drop down menu. It will show all the equipments with necessary details, contact details,
Okay.
I mean hazard wise, district
Okay.
wise. So
Okay.
this is there. So can you help us that can you just download the equipment details? We'll give you the link. You
Okay.
can code it so that my
Okay.
colleagues are not giving repeated times request for additional coding of the things. You can give us a favor for that. You can just go through it. Whatever new equipments are there, you can always add to that with a
Okay.
identification code, so that it will be easier for us to just go on upload. Since we are lagging in uploading the IDRN, so
Okay.
can you make a bit faster? We are
Sure.
having a huge list. You can see our website. It's,
Okay. Okay. Sure. 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 Please, as soon as
more
possible,
than
send me that link, sir.
3,000,
So we are in. Yeah, we are in the.
more than
We are in.
lakhs equipments are there. So
Hmm. Okay.
that's why we are having some gaps in that. I
Okay.
also requested in other platform also. So how to come out with that? So if you suggest us something, then I think our project officers, my colleagues, will be very much comfortable with, and they can instantly do it faster. We'll take
Okay.
care of how fast we can do it. So
Ah.
this is a suggestion. Another, so it will be making more flexible.
Okay.
This maybe, and maybe it's less time consuming, and really we have to work on it.
Yes, sir. Sure. Sure. Sure.
So yeah, over to my other colleagues also. If any feedback from the districts, always you can approach, because this is a nice time. We have the expert with from NIDM, so anybody can take this opportunity to ask questions. Otherwise, you can contact personally also. So I will request all our 33 DPOs and just to put any question if there is any. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Definitely will incorporate your portal, sir. Definitely will check. Definitely will review. Will help you.
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, I'm DPO Udalgudi.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I have query.
Okay.
Sir, suppose if we are collecting the data, in case of government department like fire service and upload the express of the time of need we can access the data. What is really happening that department like district transport, there are many of the equipment like JCB, trucks, and with them. But this is mainly with owner. That whether we should upload data also, because at the time need whatever as the only with the private ownership is JCB, trucks, heavy trucks, etc. So it not be available at time of need.
No, no, no. Whatever the availability of the resource inventory, that list, as per that availability only, you have to update. If it is not available, you have to delete the items in the IDRN portal. If in case any of the disaster time, if any first responder is getting the result of your resource inventory, if the at the time if it is not available, that will be a problem. No, so no need to update, sir. Please, please.
What is happening is that when we circulate the format with the department, suppose in case of this.
No, no, no. I understand, sir. I understand, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand, sir. Whenever that particular resource inventory is not available with your department, you may please kindly convey that information to the district headquarter. The district headquarter will remove that item in the IDRN portal.
Thing is that when we share the format with the department, that portal, they usually submit the names of JCB which are being registered under them. It is actually owned by the private. And,
okay.
Actually, Mr. Ahmed, I will just add on to this. The items which are there, 289 items are there, which are available on this list. So these items are, as on date, these items are required to be updated. If the item is not part of the list and you feel as a district that you need to add this item, and since this item is critical to your district or that particular area wherein you feel that this will be required, So you may come back to us and you can write to us to add that particular item. But before adding of that item into this list, you can't update that item. So you cannot do that. Huh? So I would request that in case you are sending it to the line department for filling up the formats or forms or adding the database, you must also circulate that list of 289 items which need to be updated. So this database can, till now, we have come out with a list of 289 items only. We are in a process of increasing the items, and this list, as I said in my presentation, that it is ever changing and it will change as per the requirements received from the state or the district administration. So in case you feel that certain item are required in your district, you can come back to us. We'll add that item also. I hope your query is resolved.
Okay.
Any other queries?
Yes. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. From Golaghat district of Assam.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I just wanted one. There is a confusion when I enter the list of equipment. Sometimes there is a double or a triple entry. So, is there any provision or some kind of warning that the equipment which I have uploaded is for there is a double entry? So I can I won't, that means enter the second time. So, is there some option or some kind of signal or warning?
No, sir. Abhi, as of now, there is no that kind of notification. But if in case, if you definitely your suggestion is very good point, sir. Within a minute, if in case that the same entry has been entered in the portal, definitely we'll give the notification in the future. Definitely, I have noted down your suggestion. And definitely, I will incorporate in the further development, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Okay. Any other suggestion, any feedback, or any clarification? If there is any doubt, any complaint regarding this particular IDRN portal, I request to all the district official once again, please kindly unmute your mic.
Any other suggestion? You may speak up. We are with you today for this purpose only, so that you can update your database and we can come out that yes, state of Assam, all the districts are ready to take to see through any type of emergency situation. The inventory list is ready with us at all times. Any other point from anyone?
Yes, I request all my colleagues and district project officer, please inquire about any queries, because this is a very golden opportunity you are getting, because these sessions are totally dedicated to Assam. So please take this opportunity in our favor. And I will request all the project officers, please check the email ID, IDs, login IDs we have already shared with you. If there is anybody is not getting that ID, just let us know, or you can always write to Balaji. He has given his mobile number also. Yeah, please check.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Any suggestion, any feedback, or any clarification, anything related to this particular idea portal, request to the district official once again. We have next 10 more minutes, so you may please unmute your mic.
Balaji, me and Avijit, my system expert, we are having one query. Like Form 1, Form 2A, 2B, and 2C. Yeah, these 4 forms, it's all are mandatory for one item. All are mandatory, no?
Yes, sir. All are mandatory. You have to circulate to all the line department. Whether the line department have the equipment list, they have to fill it the Form 2A. If they have the equipment only human resource, they have to fill it Form 2B. They have critical safety, they have to fill it out Form 2C. It depends upon the availability they have to fill. It's not mandatory that line department has to fill all the forms.
Okay, it's if it is nil also they are sending the nil. So what we'll do is our project officers will be circulating 4 forms in full forms, so share the full forms with the departments, and
Yes.
whatever feedback is coming, they will be entering according to that
Yes,
format.
yes,
Fine.
exactly.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I am from Nalbari district.
Okay.
So I have seen some items, particularly which is not found in the list in the IDRN portal. Like in Assam, there is one item that is called actually machine board. But there is, I have not seen this item in the list of IDRN portal. So there is another option like motor board, like that. So how can I sense this machine board to from machine board to motor board? Because motor in Assam particularly, a small generator is fitted in the board, and it is called the actually machine board. So how can I include this machine board in the IDRN portal since machine board code is not available in the IDRN portal?
So that we have clearly clarified, sir. That's what. If it is your item list, your inventory item is not in the list, you may please kindly write one email to admin.idn@nic.in. As per your suggestion, as per your request, we will definitely include machine board in this list. That's it, sir. So from the ones we have enabled that machine board in the IDN portal, you can update afterwards. So before that, you can't. You may please send one letter or one email. That's it. That's what we are requesting to all the state and districts. So you no need to worry about that, sir. You may please send one email.
Yes, it's a good suggestion from my colleague. Basically, missing boat is a indigenous boat, like what we have seen in Andaman Nicobar Islands. They are having the Nicobar boats with two barrels. No, it's a indigenous sort of boats. Maybe we are in Assam. We are having country boats, basically. So
Okay.
maybe we can categorize it as a country boat or indigenous boat, maybe, because
No, no, country board is
place.
available.
Yeah,
Country board is available in the
I'm
portal.
just telling about it's maybe the place to place it's varying. So indigenous boards maybe we can take care. Yeah, this is a good suggestion. And another thing, Mr. Balaji, it's
Yes,
is
sir.
it possible to put a column or what we have done in our MIS? It's just a suggestion since you are asking us. It's a suggestion that can we put a hazard also, particular hazard that that can be easily delineate or sieve out from the equipment list. It will be helpful for the authority to sieve out those equipments needed for particular sort of hazards. Some equipments are a multi-hazard requirements maybe or usability. Some equipments are particularly for search and rescue or something like. It's just a suggestion. If hazard
No, sir. It is
category.
it is possible. Sir. It is possible. If possible, can you please write one letter from your with approval of your competent authority? So we'll definitely discuss with our executive director. So if he is, I hope he will be agree the most of this suggestion from the all the various states and the districts. So we'll definitely incorporate the hazard based any the resource inventory. You can easily identify the idea and portal also.
What we have done in Assam, our MIS is based on that hazard. It's just it may be helpful for the central government or
Sir,
anybody
sir.
whoever
No,
you.
sir. No, sir. Perfect, sir.
It's a
Yes, sir. Your point is, your suggestion is really perfect. Definitely, will think about it. We'll definitely incorporate, sir. You may please kindly send one letter to our NIDM, sir. Definitely, will incorporate. We'll definitely we'll discuss with your experts and we will discuss your development team. So accordingly, we'll definitely do the needful. No issue, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
There is another issues.
Okay.
I am again speaking, telling from Nalbari district.
Okay, sir. Can you please tell me your name, sir? Name.
Hemanta Boissa, DPO
Okay.
Nalbari.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Tell me, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So particularly in while I writing the name of the department, because suppose the items belongs to a particular private owner, so there is no department. So how can I write this item against the department? Because whenever I fill up the form or whenever I enter the data, then there is one option, name of the department. Suppose in Assam, there is most of the these machine boards are belongs to private owner. So how can I write the department of this private owner in what by what type of nomenclature or by which name I can enter this data uh, of this item which are belong to a particular owner.
So that particular item, only for that particular item, no?
Yeah. Suppose one machine board is available to
Yeah,
a
I got
particular.
it, sir. I got it.
Yeah.
See, there is one option for item and skill description. Did you remember that field?
No. I have seen that, but my problem is whenever I enter the data, then I have to write the department because that is not the department, that is the individual person. Then how can I? Yeah.
Yeah. No. Now I'll share my screen once again. You may please. You will get clarity. I'll explain this problem. For example, IDRN. See. Sir, let's consider Assam Private Limited. We have registered, right? Assam Private Limited. So instead of Assam Private Limited, you may please register one department, private industry. Just a common name. Put private industry. Okay. Put private industry. So click add item here. Whenever you are, for example, this particular country board. So I am updating this country board. So unit is number. So item we have 13 number of quantity. Location is whatever location you can mention. So in the item skill or description, you can mention that particular country but owner, who is the owner. So for example, Balaji is the owner. So he is the contact person. Contact number is CON. So contact number is, this is the contact number. So you can do like this. So no need to register for single record itself department. You no need to register each and every department for single record. So likewise, this you can help.
Okay. Now I have understood.
Okay. So again you type again you register and again you make entry country board now quantities number whatever 5 quantity. So again another owner, for example Ramu is another owner. The contact number is, so contact number is whatever the contact number you can mention like this. So likewise you can do the likewise you can register for individual items.
So department registration is not mandatory.
No, department is mandatory, but now we are generalized. Now, for private industry, we are generalized the private industry because you have to register at least one department. For example, I have registered one department, private industry. It is a private industry.
No, actually, in Assam condition, there is no private industry. That is a small machine which is owned by particular owner.
No. It's not like that. At least you registered as a one department, private owners.
Okay. But that is
because without registering any department as like any department, you can't enter the data. No, otherwise this.
That's what I'm asking. That's why I'm asking this question.
That is what. Okay.
So anyway, we have to register one department.
Yes.
Okay.
For this thing, you can generalize. So generalize one department for just now I told you, register private owners. Private owners inventory. That's it. Just register one department as like private owners inventory. So under this department, you can add all the inventory items. That's it. Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Hemanta. Any other doubt? Any questions from anyone? This is Balaji from National Institute of Disaster Management, New Delhi headquarters. So we have next 3 to 4 minutes. So whatever you have this, and one more request. So we will be providing the certificate also. Whoever the district official, state official want the certificate, you may please kindly write email to admin.idrn@nsc.in. So please kindly mention your name and the department name, your designation and the mobile number, so that we will provide the certificate to your email. Please mention your email also. Please write email to admin.idrn@nac.in. So it takes time, but at least send one email if you want certificate. Definitely, I will send you the certificate for this particular IDRN training program. In the chat box also, I will mention my email ID, so don't get any confusion. admin.idrn@nac.in. Please mention your name, department, and your email ID, your mobile number, your district name. That's it. The mandatory is district name and your name and email ID. Sir, JD sir, are you there, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think so. All question and answer session completed, sir. We may, with your permission, we may end this meeting, sir.
Yes, yes. Yes, Balaji, thank you. Any more further, any doubts or any clarification anyone needs on this IDRN portal? I see that this IDRN portal is quite easy to for the users. But in case you are facing any trouble, any problem, any sort of anything, so you can come back to us anytime, as I have shared the contact details and the mobile number with you. So you can come back to us, you can write to us any point of time, and don't think that we will be seeing your email with some lens or something. Any query, any doubt, any suggestion is welcome with us anytime. So I would once again request you to update the data so that it may be integrated as per the National Plan on Disaster Risk Reduction, as per the Prime Minister's agenda. And it also is a mandate for us, the district project officers, as you are sitting with us today. So it is a mandate to update this data, and it is a mandate given by the Government of India. So I would request all the districts to update their data. There are many districts who are doing a very commendable job in Assam. So we must take a lead from them, and to now to start updating the data on this particular IDRN portal. The aim, our aim for today's class was to create this awareness and to come to you or to make you aware on the new portal. And I think that now it has you have all understood, and you will all work on this new portal with ease. And your suggestions, what you have given in between, like the duplicity of the data and other suggestions, are have been noted and will be taken care in due course, and you will soon receive the developed model of this portal very soon. Any other doubts still persisting or still there in the minds may come to us, or otherwise I on behalf of our executive director here in NIDM, I would like to conclude with a thanks to Shri Rajesh from ASDMA, who has been with us throughout this program, and you all who have joined us and taken out your time to listen to us. And again, I would request that you must update your database. This will save on many human lives at the time of disaster. So with this, I thank you all, each one of you. Shri Rajesh, thank you so much. And I would thank the state of Assam, who have been at the forefront of all the disaster management activities. Thank you very much. And in case of anything, you can come back to us at any point of time. Thank you very much.
Thank you to NIDM for advancing this training to Assam for today's training for 2 hours, and it's really helpful. And I'm looking forward with all my team members, like DPOs in the districts and my system expert, and we'll definitely fill up and upload whatever is data details is there with us, equipment details, and maybe more equipments details collected by the DPOs at the district level. We have to make up the thing because we have to do lots of work. So thanks again, Mr. Balaji.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.